tá fazendo aí, Pico? Pico. Cadê o seu cabelo? Pode colocar aí. Pega aí.
Got no place to run. Gotta look up to see the bottom. No visible support. No one there you can lean on. You're all on your own. You know it's sink or swim. There is no doubt about it. You have to look to him. When you think you've had enough, no more you can do. When you feel like giving up, deadline is in view. When your time is almost gone, you haven't got a clue. Now it's time to turn your place. Trusting only him. Get back and just give him. To see what he can do.
Pico, vai pra lá, dá um beijo.
He will come through.
Dá um beijo, papai.
When you're sinking fast, taking water in your boat. No one to bail you out. You think it's all she wrote. The odds are against you. Your chances stand to none. A hopeless situation. You got no place to run. No one has a rescue plan waiting in the wings. Now it's time to call his name. He can do all things. When your self-reliance fails, you still have a plan. You have to trust his ways. Trusting in him. Get back and get in. To see what he can do. He will come through. When you are mine, he will provide. Never short-handed. When you will pray, he'll make a way. He won't leave you stranded.
Pois é, tá na escola de manhã. Ah, estão filmando.